G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from unknown field in Queensland. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. This is low grade mine run, basically mostly potch, but it's a good place to start to grind down to chase the seam. So you get the feel for that before you buy better material. Some of this is better than others. There's a little seam in there, whether that doesn't look like much, but then there's another seam here. Other pieces. Got some colour. I'm just going a bit closer so you can see. This piece has got a face of colour there. That first piece I was showing you, here it is again. But with Boulder you've got to be prepared to grind and follow the faces. Some of this is better than others. It's literally been scooped out of a large bucket. With something like that you could still shape it into a pendant type shape. Again, see what's in the seams. These are all offcuts, as you can see. Interesting patterns there in the material. Not much in that piece. Something like this. Top needs to be ground off. Get down to the seam and see what you've got. Grind that off there. Piece of potch. Like I said, it's literally practice material. There's not a lot of gem material there. Low grade mine run. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.